Are you unknowingly holding back your own growth? It might sound dramatic, but ignoring the signals your body sends could be what's keeping you from reaching your full potential. Stick with me, you might be surprised by what you discover. Imagine this: you're on a journey to become your best self. You're reading the right books, attending workshops, and tackling every challenge that comes your way. Yet, something crucial is slipping through your fingers. What if the key to unlocking your potential isn't about doing more, but recognizing when it's time to take a break? Here's the twist: many people see stress as just part of the process, a badge of honor, even. But what if this mindset is actually harmful? What if the stress you think fuels your ambition is really draining your energy? Picture yourself balancing a demanding job, family responsibilities, and personal projects. Each day, you push through exhaustion, convincing yourself that resting is for the weak. This constant hustle can create a disconnect within you, leading to burnout and self-doubt when you least expect it. Take Sarah, for example. She's ambitious and climbing the corporate ladder, but she's ignoring subtle signals like tightness in her chest and occasional headaches. She dismisses them as signs of a busy life. Imagine the moment she finally hits a wall. All that potential, all that drive comes to a sudden halt. It's a painful wake-up call, but it doesn't have to be your story. The hidden danger is clear: neglecting self-care can sabotage your journey in ways you might not even notice. You might think it won't happen to me, but the truth is it can happen to anyone. So, how do you navigate this? Start by listening. What is your body trying to tell you? Are you aware of the tension in your shoulders or the heaviness in your thoughts? These often overlooked signals are gentle nudges urging you to slow down. It's time to shift your mindset. Instead of viewing self-care as a luxury, see it as a necessity. Think of it like refueling your car on a long road trip, a walled drive on an empty tank, right? As you embrace this idea, imagine the transformation. Your journey could shift from relentless chasing to a balanced dance of ambition and self-love. You might find that when you take a step back, you can leap forward with greater clarity and purpose. Now, reflect on your own life. What are you ignoring? What small changes can you make today to honor your well-being? It could be taking a moment of stillness or a deep breath before diving into your next task. Before you go, remember that your journey is uniquely yours. Don't let the hidden danger of neglecting self-care sabotage your progress. Embrace it and watch how it transforms everything. If this resonates with you, take a moment to share your thoughts. You never know who else might need to hear this today. Imagine you're on a journey to become the best version of yourself. What if neglecting your well-being is what's holding you back? Self-care might seem like a trendy buzzword, something nice to do when you have spare time, but it's actually a crucial element of your personal growth that many overlook. Ignoring it could mean the difference between truly thriving and just getting by. Every morning you wake up filled with ambition, setting goals and planning your day. However, there's a significant gap in your foundation. You might be neglecting your mental health and emotional needs, thinking they'll sort themselves out. But they linger, quietly undermining your efforts. Picture this: a busy professional works long hours, sacrifices weekends, and keeps pushing herself to the limit. She's ambitious and driven, yet as days turn into months, she finds herself burned out, anxious, and overwhelmed. Sound familiar? Many fall into this cycle, believing they're being strong. But this so-called strength can be misleading. Every time you skip self-care, you're building a wall between yourself and your goals. The reasons behind this struggle often go unnoticed. You might feel guilty for taking time for yourself, especially when it seems like everyone else is thriving without breaks. But comparing yourself to others is a trap that blinds you to your own reality. Consider this: how often do you prioritize your needs? When was the last time you took a moment just to breathe and reflect? Ignoring these moments is just a small oversight, it's a ticking time bomb. The more you push yourself, imagine a friend confiding in you about their struggles. Fire doing everything right, but still feel lost. You listen, but do you notice the signs of neglect in their life? Are you missing the same patterns in your own? As the pressure builds, the real risk becomes clear. It's not just burnout, it's stagnation. It's watching your dreams fade because you didn't take the time to check in with yourself. That's the true danger lurking in the shadows. So, what can you do? It's not about making drastic changes or giving up on your ambitions. It's about integration. Start small. Set aside a few minutes each day to meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence. Create a ritual that reminds you that you are a priority. Your journey doesn't require perfection, it needs your presence. Learn to listen to your needs, and you'll find that self-care isn't a distraction, it's a powerful catalyst for growth. In closing, remember, neglecting your well-being doesn't just slow your progress, it quietly sabotages your journey. Take a moment to reflect on this. What small step can you take today to ensure you're not just in the race, but truly enjoying the ride? If this resonates with you, please share your thoughts below. Your journey deserves attention. Imagine putting all your energy into becoming the best version of yourself, only to feel emptier than before. What if I told you that in your quest for growth, there might be a hidden danger lurking beneath the surface? Many of us chase success, believing it will fill the void we feel. But the real sabotage often starts long before we realize it, sneaking in disguised as ambition. You push yourself harder, set higher goals, but what happens to your well-being along the way? Picture this: you're juggling work, relationships, and personal projects. Every day feels productive, yet you are left feeling drained. Your mind races and sleep slips away. You might think it's just part of the grind, but it's actually a warning sign indicating that your self-care is taking a backseat. Now, here's the twist. What if this neglect is just a temporary phase? What if it's gradually undermining your journey toward personal growth? You could find yourself at a crossroads where burnout becomes your new normal. It's not just a buzzword, it's a silent killer of dreams who seems to have it all together. They work late, skip meals, and rarely take breaks. At first, this dedication seems admirable, right? But soon cracks begin to show. They become irritable, disengaged, and eventually plateau. You can see it happening, can't you? This is just about them, it could easily be you. The irony is that the harder you push, the more you risk losing everything you've worked for. It's a dangerous cycle. Just when you think you're making progress, self-neglect pulls you back. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your full potential lies in the very care you're avoiding? It may sound cliché, but self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Imagine taking a moment to breathe and reflect. This doesn't mean you're giving up, it means you're recalibrating. But here's the catch: if you wait until burnout hits, it might be too late. You can't ignore these signs. It's time to start listening. Begin small, maybe take a walk in nature or spend a few minutes in quiet. Each step is a way to reclaim your energy and focus in a world that glorifies hustle. So as you pursue your goals, take a moment to check in with yourself. Are you flourishing or just surviving? Reflect on your own journey for a moment.